Let us move on to the next topic. Unit 3, Poem 3. The title of the poem is I Am Every Woman, which was written by Raki Nariani Shirk. Basically, she was a school teacher and she worked as a teacher in Rayan International School. She has a strong passion for writing poems and she used poems as a medium of self expression. She is a postgraduate, that means she has done her PG degree, and in her bachelor degree she has done education. At present, she lives in New Mumbai. Let us see the main content of the poem. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. So she says that by birth itself, woman is very beautiful and she is a symbol of power and strength. She has a great power and she has a great strength. She is a symbol itself, and she says that she is ready to take a risk in her life and she is always real and she is not at all fake in her life. So what she says is she is by birth she is beautiful and she has a great power and strength and she is ready to take any risk in her life and she is very real in her activity and she is not at all fake. This is a meaning given in the first stanza. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman, she has no fear. Through this stanza, the poetess wants to stress that the woman has a positive, that is optimistic approach towards the life. Let us see the meaning of the stanza. The summer of the life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Here, the summer of life refers to the development of a life, that is progress of our life. At that moment, we may face many failures or adversity, and she says that the women face the adversity with a positive approach, that is difficult times, a positive approach order she will be handling the life, that is she is very optimistic in her approach towards the life, since she has a confidence that spring will come again. Spring means good time. So when the progress of life moves on, when she faces the difficulty, she has a confidence that definitely good time will come back. That's why she says that let me care for the ones who are near. So without worrying about what the life is going to bring to me, I am going to take care of the people who are living around me. She is the woman, she has no fear. Since she is a woman, she doesn't have fear for anything. She has a power to face the life with the optimistic approach. She is ready to take the life with the positive ideas. Let us move on to the third stanza. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs, groans, and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. So, through this stanza, the poetess wants to stress the determination level of a woman. And she says that for success, persistence, that is, determination, is very, very vital. Let us see the meaning of the stanza. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. She says that she is very strong and she has a firm belief and a faith. Determination is the key to everything. For her, determination, persistence is everything for her. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her beliefs. In the life's course, though you have a determination, though you have a persistence in doing certain tasks, we may face some failures. These failures may make us to feel sigh, groan and moans. Sigh அப்படின்னா ஒரு க்ரீஃபை எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம விடுற ஒரு பெருமூச்சுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது சை. க்ரோன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா ஒரு கம்ப்ளைனிங் நேச்சர், க்ரம்லிங் நேச்சராக இருக்கிறது க்ரோன்ஸ். மோன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கன்னா க்ரீவிங் ஆர் ஃபீலிங் பேட் ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த லாஸ். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டெஸ்பரேட்டான ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷனுக்கு நம்ம டிட்டர்மினேஷனோட ஃபைட் பண்ணுறப்போ கூட வி ஹேப்பன் டு ஃபேஸ். ஆனால் விமனாக இருந்தால் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படிங்கிறாங்கன்னா, ஷீ இஸ் ஸ்ட்ராங் இன் ஹர் ஃபெய்த், ஃபர்ம் இன் ஹர் பிலீவ். ஷீ இஸ் சின்ஸ் வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் இன் ஹர் ஃபெய்த் and very firm in her belief, she can overcome this kind of situation since she is very determined in achieving certain tasks in her life with the help of faith and a belief. Let us move on to the next stanza. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. So, in this stanza, the poetess wants to stresses the braveness, that is, the ferocious nature of the women, and she is comparing women with a lioness in this stanza. So she says that don't ever play with her. If you happen to be a mischievous person, be careful with your behavior with the women. If you test her or disgrace her pride and self-respect, she'll not leave you, she'll freeze you and she'll cut you. Tha அப்படினா freeze பண்றது without any movement. Cutting also stopping you to do that. So we should be very careful with our behavior towards the women அப்படின்னு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. லாஸ்ட் 2 லைன்ஸில் she says, she is today's woman dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. After listing the various qualities of the women, the poetess concludes the poem by saying that, so since she has all these beautiful qualities, you have to love her, you have to show respect to her, and for her betterment, you have to keep her beside yourself.